With us is the owner, Marcelino Bomilak of Abella House of Art. Yes, sir. Wow, very creative. Kayo po ba ang designer nito?
Yes po, ma'am. I design and I also weave because weaving is my expertise. It's my first weaving yung nauna kong natutunan with my mother. Kaya yun, tinuloy-tuloy ko, and then through the help of government agencies, I tried to design, and now we are going into trade fairs para ma-market ang mga finished products. And all of these are purely handmade and all are 100% cotton din siya. Ikat weaving, or we call it in our local dialect, in our Tuwali dialect, we call it Binod Bodaron.
Sir, saan po yung mga branch of Abellas? Meron na po ba dito sa Metro?
Abellas House of Arts actually is a local enterprise. Ang located at Ifugao only, Ifugao province at the northern part of the Cordillera region.
Wow.
Wala po tayong wala po tayong branch dito sa Manila because we're just starting. Kaya yung through trade fair nyo lang kami makikita, and you can order also in our FB page sa Abellas House of Arts po.
Okay. Thank you, sir, and good luck. Nice design.
Thank you very much.